Yes, hello children, I'm back with a whole new video, and this time this video is related to report writing. Okay, so here we go ahead. So we're going to learn about report writing today. In report writing, what are we going to focus on? That what is report writing, the format of report writing, and an example I will share with you all about report writing. Yes, so what is a report? Report is clear and concise document which has a purpose. Now you can see I have underlined clear and concise because report is something that you cannot bluff around or do any sort of mixing and all. It is clear about, it talks about the event which is clear, and concise as in it has limited words and you only write what actually happened during that event or incident, and the purpose is to bring across the readers or the audience about the event and incident that took place. Now where do we normally focus about report writing is normally in school journals, school news, books, newspapers. Now points to remember while writing report. Normally the report is written in past tense because you're talking about an event which has occurred or you have witnessed. Okay, then you don't use first person, that is I, me, myself. Rather you use in third person because you are giving your point of view, okay, or some other person's point of view. So you normally talk in third person and not directly you speak, which is our next point. You use indirect speech. Indirect speech is a speech that tells about some other person's conversation or act and you don't manipulate on your end. Okay, and the next point is you use passive voice and not active voice. Again, because we are talking about third person, so we happen to use indirect speech and passive voice, children. So we need to keep these points in mind while writing a report. So here I have a report writing format. Now how do you go about? First the heading, and the heading will always be in capital. Then reported by, who's reporting the report, so your name and your designation. Then to your left hand side, place from where you are reporting and the date. Okay, then comes is the body. Now if you remember children, I had taught you the three important pointers that we need to keep in mind while writing anything in English: introduction, main content and conclusion. So in introduction, what do we focus? Your first line will be what is your report about, then who has conducted the event, then when was it conducted and where was it conducted or where did it take place. So you keep in mind about the 5 W's in report writing under introduction. Okay, then third comes in the volunteers participation, that who all were over there, what was their participation. Okay, then comes is your main content. So under main content you have the idea that now how you have to write. So how the event started, from the start till the end you will highlight only the main pointers of the event. Okay, and then the conclusion will be summarizing at the end about the whole event or incident that took place. Alright children, so this is your format for report writing. Now here is an example for you children to go through to understand well. Red Cross Society organized a blood donation camp in TCS, Gandhinagar for its employees. Write a report in about 200 words covering the event as a reporter of Times of India. Now here you have to imagine yourself as a reporter of Times of India and you are talking about an event in a report writing. So you can go through this report to understand better. So you will see how it is talking about what was the event about, why was it organized and where was it organized. Then comes as the main content body where the reporter has spoken about in detail about the event, and then the conclusion. Okay. So children, let's revise. So how we will revise? By practicing report writing, and definitely you can use the format that I have shared in the video. Now, what's your assessment? Your assessment is that you will directly report to me from your mom's kitchen. Okay? I hope that's an interesting one and you will put your heart and soul into it. Till my next video, stay tuned. Take care. Bye.